Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Viral. In this video number 9, we are going to learn how to highlight cell that appears in two columns. So without wasting time, we are going here in this table. We have list 1 and list 2. What we want is to highlight the values that appear in both of the columns. So you can see Jimmy and Jamie is not similar, so you can see Sandra and Sandra is, we want like this. Suppose we want like this, and then how can we do automatic by using formula and shortcut? So first of all, we will select the range, first range, and then we'll go to home tab and then conditional formatting, and then we will create new rule. After that, use the formula to determine which cells to format. We'll click here and we'll write here equal to count if bracket open, and we'll select this range. We'll select this range and comma, and we'll go to first cell and we will remove this dollar, this last dollar, because we have to move this 2, 3, 4, 5, but not this column. And we will close this with parenthesis and we will click on format and we will choose any color and hit OK. Again OK. You can see Sandra, James, Liam is duplicate value which we can see in list P, but same condition we will apply in list P to highlight in both columns. We will select the range and then we'll go to home tab and then conditional formatting, new rule, and use the formula to determine which cells to format, and then here we'll write equal to count if bracket open. We'll select this range and then comma, and we'll go to first cell and remove this dollar sign before the number, and then bracket close, format, we'll choose the color and hit OK. Now you can see this from this both column, which columns are highlighted, which are duplicate. So if I write here suppose HARRY and hit enter, you can see here is no any Harry in list 2, and in list 1 there is Harry. So when I write in list B HARRY and hit enter, boom, you can see it's automatic highlighting the cells that have duplicate values. So in this way, using this formula, you can highlight values that appear in both of the columns. So I hope you understood in this video how to highlight that appear in two columns. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about Excel, you can subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my Facebook and also in Instagram. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.